Can't I hear you? Are you ready to tell me the meaning of my dream?
My princess, there's no other interpretation for your dream.
Ekwu, I'm going to give you one more last chance. And I'm serious. If you don't tell me the meaning of my dream, if you don't tell me what I want to hear, I'll order my guards to take you to the evil forest and end you. Now, tell me, what is the meaning of my dream?
My princess, there is no different interpretation for your dream.
For the company of my gods, take this fool to the evil forest and end him.
Just my princess. You get him, let's go. No, leave me alone! Somebody help me! Be quiet.
The worst has happened. Your son Ekwedike is in trouble. What? The little princess ordered her guards to take him to the evil forest and kill him. Hey! Amanda! You will kill yourself! Husband! Please, I'm begging you. Please, I want to see him where he is. Stop it! Yeah! He's my son!
What? What's wrong with your son, woman?
The little princess ordered her guards to take her son to the evil forest and kill him.
What? Was that what happened?
Yes, Ekwu.
Yagule, rush to the forest and stop them right this minute. Yes, Your Majesty.
I follow.
Woman, call me your daughter.
Let me be! Move! Let me be! I said, move on. Papa, help me! Move! Papa, help me! Give me! Give me!
The little princess sent us to kill him at the evil forest.
Let him go. The king said so. Are you sure of what you're saying? Go.
What business do you have with Uloma's son?
Okay, so he interpreted my dream wrongly, so I told my guards to take him to the evil forest and kill him.
Chimu! How dare you take such decision without my consent? How dare you!
The last time I checked, I am the princess of Odobudo Kingdom. So I as well have the same right as you. I can make decisions without your consent.
Now listen to me. Next time when you take such decision, I will strip you of your power as a princess of this kingdom. Do you understand? Now get out of my sight.
Please.
Leave!
I will leave. You don't need to be rude. Don't yell.
Look at her.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Ekwu, hold your 2 ears now. Now listen to me. It has to stop so far. No more interpretation of dreams in this house or outside again. If anybody comes here or call you to interpret any dream for him or her, tell that person that your mother said no. What nonsense! Let me see anybody in this house again. I don't like this.
You said for me. Yes. That boy is at it again. Which boy? The Kodike. Yes. What did he do? He gave me a wrong interpretation of my dream. Wrong interpretation. How do you know it's wrong interpretation? Firstly, let me ask you a question. As a princess of this kingdom, do you think anyone has a right to mock me? Or do you think he has the right, as the king of this kingdom, to strip me of my power? No! But this community mocking you, that one cannot happen. Because your father is no nonsense man. Good. And your father is stripping you of your powers. I'm not sure. Because you are the princess of this kingdom. I'm not sure. That cannot happen. So, that's to say, I invited him to interpret my dream, like I said. He said no. And I gave him the last chance to do that. He practically looked into my eyes and declined. You see? Well, such a big insult. So did you punish him? Me? Punish him? Huh? You don't trust me anymore. I just passed my judgment on him. I told my guards to dispose him to the forest and end him. What? That is too harsh. What is it? What was harsh? I'm sorry. Who are you? I don't understand. Are you against me or you are for me? What's going on with you? I'm for you. You're for me, then be for me. I'm sorry, my princess. Nonsense. Well, my princess, they put me to. So I should pass it on you. No. I should pass the judgment on you, right? No, sorry. I'm sorry. Say it. I'm just joking. You're joking. Okay. Say it! The joke was too expensive. I just want you to know that I still have power over you. Yes. But my friend does not mean I can't do anything. Yes. So you should know your limit as well. Greetings, my princess. Speak. Your food is ready. So? Well, you can tell the royal chef to serve my food. I'm coming down, my friend. Okay, my princess. Why are you fidgeting? Don't worry. I know you're dancing. I'm going to feed you. Hungry thing. Don't worry. I'm here for you, okay?
My daughter couldn't really saw us on the road. I think that we should bring the yam here. And this is the only yam we have at home.
You mean she told you that?
Yes, we were just coming from the farm. Just like that? Yes, Your Highness.
Please, take your yam home.
Thank you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you, Your
It's
Majesty.
okay.
Thank you.
It's alright. Go.
Thank you.
What
is wrong with her?
It's alright.
Where is Oli?
You told me to follow them to your chambers and keep the yam away from you, my princess.
So where are the yams?
The king asked them to go back with you.
Why? Didn't you tell him I was the one that asked for it?
Yes, I did, my princess.
You can go.
Thank you, my princess.
Greetings, Holy Princess of the Kingdom.
Speak.
Your father demands for your presence at once.
Okay. Come back here. You don't have manners. So you can't greet before leaving. Is that how you were trained?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Get out!
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Did you ask anyone to bring yam for you here?
I did. But from the information I'm getting now, I was told you asked them to go back with the yam. So why?
Now listen and listen good. I've tolerated enough from you. When next I see or hear anything from anyone against you in this kingdom, I will punish you severely. Do you understand?
Akunjeri, what has come over you? Eh? Why are you so wicked? Akunjeri, so you don't want to talk? Why are you evil? See, if this kind of thing repeats itself next time, you will have me to contend with. What is all this? I'm done with you.
What? But why are you interfering in my matters? Why? Why? Udoka! Udoka!
Yes, my princess. Yes, my princess.
Go and fetch my friend Olima to see it.
Consider it done, my princess.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
So let's start from you with Olima. Okay, give me a very interesting story.
Story. Once upon a time, they live in a kingdom where they had many animals. Like there was hunger in the kingdom. They had to eat because they didn't have much. They don't farm. So the birds they had many food. So they came down to help tortoise. So when they went out with tortoise said that anybody that eats and will go out of will stop eating. So all of them couldn't get the paper. The paper was too much. So He was just starting to be saying for that is go out. He was just tired till he finished the food. So all the birds were very angry. So he begged the bird to take him down, but they refused because he cheated them. So there was only one bird that was with him. So he told the bird to go down and tell his wife to keep soft materials so that if he fall, he won't break his show. But the bird went down and told his wife to keep hard materials, knife, fork, spoon, all those things. So and the wife said, okay, no problem. He came back and told her that she has kept all the soft material. But he said no problem. Without looking down, he just jumped. And as he jumped, he broke his shield. That's why he has broken shield all over his body. And everything happened because of greediness.
Nice. Next, I have another one. Okay, the name of my story is The Greedy King. Story. Once upon a time. The name of my story is The Greedy King. There lived a king named Emeka. He had a daughter called Ada. Ada is 18 years old. The king doesn't have a wife. So in this kingdom, do you know what the kingdom is? Ekwu. Ekwedike. Yes. No, the kingdom is Ekwedike kingdom. So in the kingdom, they are very much in this kingdom. The king is a very wealthy king. He's a very wealthy person in the kingdom, but he's very, very greedy. He always needs more. He always asks for more. And anytime he needs more gold and silver, he always tells his guards to tell the people of Ekwedike kingdom to bring gold and silver to the kingdom, to the palace, I mean. So the people do give the guards the gold and silver because of fear they have for the king, because they think that the king is going to banish them or send them away from the kingdom. So when they continue bringing the gold and silver, but the king was not still satisfied with them.
Bye.
Princess Royal Dad, what do we owe this royal visit?
The little princess demand for your son's presence.
What did he do?
Because I did not go to tell the princess a story. Don't act as if you don't know the reason you were sent to call me.
Yes, Nina.
Ekwedike, you knew today is Nkwo and you did not tell me. You followed me to the farm. Knowing today is Nkwo, the story tells day. Eh? How am I going to handle this little princess? You know what? Tell her he will join her soon.
Sorry, no, the instruction was to come with him.
Don't worry, mother. You know, I can't just abandon our farm produce just because I want to go and tell the princess a story. It's not possible. I'll handle this, okay? Just wait for me here, I'll be back.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ekwedike, you again. Why do you like looking at my trouble?
I'm sorry, my princess. But the food a man eats is quarterly contributed to his strength.
What does that mean?
My princess, a man without strength lacks food. I went to the farm to harvest farm produce with my mother. Truth be told, I know today is Ugwuoke market. The story tells thee.
So, choose a punishment. Choose a punishment. Choose it.
I wish to be forgiven.
We will forgive you on one condition.
Tell me what is it?
I want to work as my personal account.
She's a little princess, but she's soaring. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Hey, oh, hey, whoa.
You again? God, take this man away.
Father. Father, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mother. Please forgive me. In any way that I've offended you, I'm sorry. I have come to realize that there is no place like home. And in anything I do, I need my parents beside me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything I have done. And I want you to know that this young man never deceived me. I was the one that was into him, Father. Father, I can't do without you, but you are my parents, so please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Please, we beg you, my king. Just forgive us, please. We're so sorry for everything. It wasn't intentional. Please. Forgive us, ma'am, please. We're so sorry.
What is after you? Why are you running?
My sister, I heard the priestess is back with the stranger she ran away with.
You mean that stranger is back into this land again?
Yes, so he's back. Not only with her, with their daughter. And I heard that she's very beautiful.
Wait, they now have a daughter?
Yes.
Hey! Anyways, the thing is that strange man must be killed. Ekwu will not spare his life unless if what you just told me is not true.
Yes, so are you sure the king will kill the stranger?
Definitely. Unless if he did not set his feet into this land again.
Anyway, that is not my problem. I want to go there and see things by myself with my koro eyes.
Okay.
So, are you coming with me?
Yes, but not now. I want to go and do something. I will join you later.
Oh, let's go now. Let me confirm, Bye.
Hey!
Father, can I say something or make a wish before you pass your judgment?
Yes, speak.
This young man came back to this community because I assured him that no harm will befall him.
Don't waste my time. Go straight to the point.
Father, if you must kill him, you have to kill me and kill my daughter. That is my wish.
Father, can I make my own wish?
Speak.
Please kill all of them! Kill them at once!
And this is my judgment. As the king, you ran away with my daughters for many years. You brought her back. I hereby forgive you. Igwe!
What are you doing?
God bless you.
So much fun. Thank you. Thank you so much, Father. Thank you.
Thank you again. So I'm going with you.
You see? Thank you, mother. Thank you.
So, can I buy it? Thank you. Thank you so much. Sit. Please, yes, let's.
My princess, she's here. Princess, my princess. Princess, what is it? Sit first. I'm scared. I'm scared. Is it that big car that is parked outside this compound and that will bring my yard? Yes. Yes. How come you've gotten the information so fast? The village knows the news. Are you serious? Yes. Even the Oluebube child herself. Okay. The scary part of it is that my father told me that that young woman that came with them is my biological mother. And the fair guy, my biological father. Is it possible? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. How will your father be doing this thing? I'm just confused. This cannot be true. No! You're calling that girl princess! Princess. I'm just so scared. I'm scared. Why are they calling her princess when I'm still alive? What's their plan? Princess. Hey, this one you ask your father. You call your father and talk to him. Because it's your father. I'm scared. Princess, it's okay. I'm scared. It's okay, it's alright, yeah? Just talk to your father. Talk to your father. What is it?
How dare you? How dare you ask me a question? Black monkey. What's this?
It is true.
A what? Troll. It's so scary. What are you standing there? Get out!
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey, whoa. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Whoa.
My princess, wash your hand and join me.
Huh?
Wash your hand and join me.
You want me to eat this shit?
Why are you calling this food shit?
It's shit, obviously.
No, it's not. This is Ekwu and Egusi soup.
Mommy, you should know that I can't eat this shit.
Why? You have to.
I can't. And what did you say it's called again?
Akpu and Egusi soup.
Apple and you know I can't pronounce that shit. Igu.
Princess, it's okay. You don't have to pronounce it. Just wash your hands and eat.
Nah, I'm good. I don't want to eat this. I want pizza.
No, this is our native food, so you have to start learning how to eat it.
No, is it my fault? I don't want to. I miss broccoli.
Huh? Listen, my princess. Listen, my princess. I don't need to remind you that you are now in Nigeria. Not just Nigeria or Dubudu Kingdom. And this is our native food, so please eat.
So, I don't want to eat it. I don't want to eat it. No, I want pizza.
You want what?
Pizza!
There's no pizza here.
But that's what I want. And
Okay.
I also want salad and where there is broccoli inside.
You're kidding me. Okay, let me feed you. Okay, this is what we'll do. Just test it here.
Don't put that close to me.
Are you kidding me? Why?
No, Mom, come on. My clothes is so smelly.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, so what you do, just test it. Just put it in your mouth.
What?
Mom, I told you to not touch me.
Okay, come here.
Huh? No way, I'm not doing that.
Come to me.
No!
Okay, let me go and feed you.
No!
Okay, it's okay. I'll get you pizza, okay?
Mom, I don't want
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on. No, mommy. Please, my daughter. I want you to listen to me so I can explain how everything happened.
I am not your daughter. Know this and know peace. Don't call me your daughter again, ever again. Please.
Akunjeri, I want you to know something. We sin against God every day, and yet He forgives us. So why can't we do the same?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't care. I don't want to know what you're talking about. My rule is my rule. Okay? Don't call me your daughter, and that is it. Then again, that's your so-called daughter. You should go and talk to her. Talk to her to avoid me, else take whatever you see. Honestly.
That girl in question is your younger sister.
Never! She cannot be my sister. She should stay on her lane. Don't cross my path. We don't have the same blood running through our veins. So mind your business in this palace. If you don't mind, please excuse me.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, damn serious. Leave. Am I having this pain that these people are here for another reason? They're here for another purpose.
She's a little princess, but
Not under
she's
my
so
watch.
mean.
Never.
Oh,
Never.
she's driven by the powers vested.
Please, I want to ask you for a favor. It's about my daughter. Please, I want you to help me talk to her so that she can listen to me.
So what exactly do you want me to do?
I want her to listen to me so I can explain exactly what happened.
It's okay. I have heard you. I will talk to her myself. And I believe she will listen to me.
I know that, Mother. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What the hell are you? You look too short. I look too short. You look too tiny. Look at you're starving. You've not eaten for days. And I pray that very soon your vulture will come and take you away. Yes.
Ew.
Yes. They will eat up your body.
Oh my god, it's not possible. That can't happen.
Look at her. Fool. You're asking princess. Let me tell you, I'm the only princess of the king of Kaomo. Why? Of the kingdom. No other princess exists. Any other princess is a fake one.
Princess was given to me by my dad when I was born. Unlike you, smelly rats.
Yes! So you should get a piece of my power, right?
You're just like a full stop. You were just like a full stop.
Don't worry, you don't have to stress yourself. Udaka! You don't need to stress yourself. Let me just show you. See, Udaka! Udaka!
What the hell?
Come here.
What the hell are you?
What's the price of it? You don't want it.
Oh, don't touch that on me! Oh my god! Shut it!
Take her out. Make sure you take her out. Make sure you take her out. Take her. Don't have to bring competition with people all the same. I'm enough. I'm unique. I'm outstanding. And nobody dares challenge me.
Nkasi is your mother.
Nkasi is not my mother.
I want you to know it's from today that Nkasi is your mother.
She is not my mother, and she can never be my mother.
My daughter, I know how you feel. But no matter what happened, Nkasi still remains your mother. I want you to have it at the back of your mind.
She is not my mother. Someone who abandoned me to die can never be my mother.
Oh, my daughter, I know how you feel.
Never. So if I had died, will she come back today claiming to be my mother?
Thank God you didn't die. She is still your mother.
She is not my mother. Moreover, why are they calling that girl princess?
That's the name her parents gave her when they gave birth to her.
She can change it. I don't like it.
Why?
Because I'm not comfortable with them calling her princess. She can change it. Or else, I'll make this palace uncomfortable for her. What happens to Ngosika? Nkechinyere? What happened to Obiageri? Iruka?
What is it?
She changed the name. I'm not in competition with her. Please.
Alright, I wanted to ask you a question. Why do you hate me so much? I'm your father, you know.
You are not my father. Please. And just go straight to the point.
Come on, listen. I know you're mad at me. I'm sorry for everything. Alright? I came back to this village all because of you.
You?
Yeah.
You know you're such a bad person. You are very mean and wicked.
How am I mean?
Yes. You took my mother away since.
Oh.
Or you want me to die before you return?
Listen, I'm sorry for everything. Listen, it's not what you think. Alright? Okay, I'll just tell you this, okay? I got your mother pregnant and the king was mad at me and he instructed I should be locked in the garden for days. Alright? And the plan was to kill me. But your mom was mad about this whole situation and she decided to run away with me after your birth. She did it just to save my life, alright?
To save your life?
Yeah.
While I die away?
Oh, come on. It wasn't like that, okay? Listen, your mom loves you so much, like I do, alright? Listen, your mom is a very intelligent woman, alright? What she did was to save my life and she entrusted you in the hands of her mom because she knew you were safe there. And here you are, fine and healthy, alright? I'm sorry for everything, okay?
And you said the king wanted to kill you.
Oh, yeah.
So why and how?
Just like what I said before. He was mad at me because I got your mom pregnant. It's not supposed to be. That's not the reason I came to the community at the first place. So I am sorry for everything, alright? I love you, you know that. I'm your father, and you know that, alright? I'm sorry.
For how many years?
I'm sorry. My baby girl. I'm your father, you know. Uncle Jerry.
What do you mean by Uncle Jerry? What is supposed to mean? That's not my name. My name is Akum Jerry.
Okay, Uncle Jerry. So, whatever.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean.
He came into this kingdom to mine gold. So he came to the king so he can approve it. And then he can go bring his workers.
No, Igbo. I called you because ndị Igbo kwuru okwu si na agwa ofu onye furu anaghị iburu ya eke. This young man here introduced himself as John Peter. He hails from Kenya but lives in America. He has come to see us.
You are welcome, Mr. John Peters.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome there.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. He said they discovered gold in our community. That is why he has come to discuss business with us. That if his request is being granted, he will go and call his workers, then sign deal with us. Then they will start mining the gold.
You are welcome once again, Mr. John Peters.
Thank you. I really do appreciate it.
Your journey.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Your journey is very good. It's not bad.
I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
May the gods be praised that our own land is a blessed land.
Yes, yes. JP, once again, you're welcome.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Like my name
I appreciate you.
He was given an apartment in the palace. We started getting along. And finally we became friends. We became so close.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You're looking good.
Thank you. And you too. You're looking good.
Thank you. So how was your night?
It was okay. And yours?
Fine.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
You don't have a problem, because I know that's what you want to say. You know what? Why don't you take me around your community?
Okay.
Huh?
So shall we?
Let's go. Alright, you know, I was wondering, you take me around here.
Oh wow. You know, I love this community. Everything here looks fine. And as well, you look good as well.
Thank you.
Alright, wow. Are you serious right now? Is this a school? Oh, this is big to be in this village. What's the name? Troas Nursery Primary School. You know what? Let's go take pictures. Come here, come. Let's take pictures. You gonna like it, alright? Okay. Stand right. Just stand, alright?
You like it?
It tastes really good.
I prepared it myself.
It's a lie.
That's
I don't
true.
believe that.
I did.
The royal chef did.
Okay, yes, she did.
Now, of course I know.
But I can cook.
You can? Okay. Taste it. Taste
I'm good.
it. You will love it. It is nice, right? I told you. The royal chef must be a very good cook.
Of course she is.
You know, it's been a very long time I had a delicious meal like this. Sure, it's been a very long time. It really tastes nice, and
one thing led to another and I got pregnant for him. Of course I did.
Come on.
Why?
I didn't believe.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. What is it?
Your mother asked me to come with you.
Okay. Tell my mother that I will join her shortly. So
you know I rest my case.
You now believe me, right?
I believe you. 100%. I believe you.
I did.
Really?
I did!
Come on!
You know, my princess.
What is it again?
Your mother said I should come with you right now.
Didn't you tell my mother that I said I would join her shortly?
Yes, I did. But she said I should come with you right away.
Get out.
I'm sorry, my princess. It's an order from the queen.
I said, get out!
Calm down, alright? Calm your nerves down, alright?
Ask him to leave.
And you go away and stop moping. Go, she will join you, alright?
I'm sorry, sir. It's an order from the queen.
Can you imagine? Please, I beg you. How dare you?
Calm down.
Leave my presence this minute.
Leave at once, are you deaf? It's alright. Listen, I think we should go ahead, alright? I just think we should go ahead. Just calm your nerves down. Listen, I don't feel okay. I perceive the king is around. And I don't want him to notice there's something going on between the both of us.
Let's go inside. Don't worry about it.
Can you just listen to me, alright?
Will you listen to me? I am the princess of this kingdom.
I know.
I am old enough to make my own decisions, so let's go inside.
Listen, I am not disputing the fact that you're the princess, okay? But I don't want the king to see me as someone who is not serious on what he came for. Alright? I don't feel fine. I don't know, but this shirt is not...
It's okay. This is what we're going to do.
Okay.
I'll go inside. After a while, you come.
Alright,
my parents nearly killed me. They threw him into the guard room, pending when I'll put to bed, so they can finally kill him, according to the custom. So they said.
I'm so sorry for putting you through the stress. I'm sorry, JP.
Listen, I'm gonna die in 2 months' time when you're calling me stress.
Yes, I call it stress because that is what you're passing through. And I'm really sorry.
You don't need to be sorry. I brought this upon myself.
No, you did not. I caused it. Listen, JP, you're not going to die. Listen, I love you. I love you so much. And even in death, I will still love you. But I strongly believe that nothing will happen to you. You will not die.
Listen, can you just stop giving yourself this impression that I'm not going to die?
Of course you will die.
I will die.
No, you won't.
Listen, I want you to do something for me. I want you to name my child after me. Okay? Please.
Okay, but nothing will happen to you.
I pray so.
Just hang in there, okay? Nothing will happen to you. Look at him!
Your father?
Yes.
I think you should.
Yes, I am too. Please eat your food.
I'm not hungry, alright? Don't you think it's a waste bringing food for someone you know would certainly die soon?
Please don't say that. Nothing will happen to you. The gods of our land will make my father change his mind.
And you think that's possible? Listen, your father cannot change the tradition, alright? Have you ever heard the elders talking to themselves that it's a sacrilege for a total stranger to impregnate a princess of a kingdom? The penalty is death. So I'm definitely gonna die, alright?
No, JP, you will die. I strongly believe that you will not die. Listen, the gods of our land will make my father change the tradition. Tradition will be amended for your sake.
I just pray so. Listen, I'm not hungry. I don't think this food is necessary. I'm not hungry.
Please, you have to take something. You have to eat
I'm
something.
not. Just take it back, alright?
Even if it's a little.
I'm fine. Let me call my friends, alright? I'm good. Hello. I'm tired, alright? I don't think you can make it. I'm losing strength. Listen, in case I'm no more, I just want to tell you my hometown and places I have investment, alright? Number 24, Kiamba Street, Nairobi, Kenya. That's my hometown, alright? I have properties there. and 205 Main Street in Southern California, USA. I have properties there, so I think when you look for me, you can find me, you can go there and claim everything because I don't think I can make it now.
But please, I don't see that.
I'm losing strength.
Don't see that you can. Just be strong for me, okay? Please, I beg you. Please be strong for me and our baby, please.
Like I said before, name this child after my name. Please. The password to my phone. The last 6 digits of my phone number. I have a file document app. Once you open it, every details you need about my bank, my house, and everything is in there.
Why are you telling me this?
I kept this for you because I know I can make it.
No, you will. Please be strong for me, I beg you. Nothing will happen to you. Listen, look at me. Nothing will happen to you, okay?
I don't think I can.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Elders, I want to tell you people that the contract we are supposed to sign with JP has been cancelled. Pray to what happened. I also want to tell you people that my daughter just delivered a bouncing baby girl some few hours ago.
Oh, that's good news.
I also want to tell you people that we're going to sacrifice JP tomorrow being a K market day. Thy peace, gods of our land.
That's the news that we are waiting to hear from you, Igwe.
Very good news. So that is what I want to tell you. As we speak, the guards are in the bush searching for them, and I've instructed them to come back here with them dead or alive.
You did well, Igwe, by sending them for the search.
No, please. Whatever you people are doing, we'll have to be fast, please. I want my daughter back. Safe and sound. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter, please.
Don't worry. We are doing everything possible to bring them back, and they will certainly come back.
Yes.
They will come
After I put to bed, I ran away with him. So my dear, I just want you to know that I did not intentionally abandon you. That was what happened.
It's okay. So if you had not taken such risk, that young man would have been dead by now.
Please stop calling him that young man. He's your father.
I'm still doubting that because, you know, we have color difference here. Can't you see that? I'm dark, you're dark. So why is he fair?
My darling, you took my color. Why Princess took his?
Talk about that later. But I'm so sorry for what you passed through.
It's okay. I'm glad you're forgiving me. I'm glad you now understand what happened. Thank you.
So now that you are back, what's the plan? Are you married?
No, we are not yet married, but he has the intention.
What makes you think the king would accept that?
Of course he will. I mean, he doesn't have a choice. I already have 2 daughters for the man.
2 daughters?
Yes. I mean, you and Princess.
That reminds me, why are you calling her princess? I'm the only princess in this kingdom. You know, right?
My darling, Princess is not a title. It's not royalty. That's a real name.
I don't care. There are other names out there you can give her. Angelina, Ngozi, Kirika, all those names. You should just pick one there. Nobody drags that name with me. And the presents. Yes. Then again, I am deeply sorry for what happened to you. Yeah, I have forgiven you.
Come here, my darling.
Thank you so much, Rajinder. I love you.
For women, yes, what is happening? See that kid? I have it in mind to make us yes. I said what I said.
Paul! I said Paul! Yeah, good. Stand, you like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, you press it, yes. You go close. No, and then you go turn like this, like slant a little. You're not a girly girl. Okay, let me do like a portrait. Yeah. Smile! Smile! Yeah. Move closer! No, go close! Oh, you guys are stressing me! Okay, wait.
What's going on there? What am I seeing?
What is what?
What's this?
What is what?
Huh? Look at this real attire.
And what is your business?
What did it be?
What is your business?
What the hell gave it to you? Give it to me. What is your business? What the hell? I don't understand. I can't say this if I want you. Let go. Let me do this. I don't like
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested.
Hey, you. Put me down.
The Oibo girl.
What? Put your hands down. Stand up. Stand up. Which Oibo girl? What audacity? Who is the Oibo girl?
That white princess.
Are you mad? Why are you calling her princess? How many times have I warned you to stop calling her princess? necessity does she even have to punish you? What did you do?
I didn't do anything. Because she asked Ekwedike and I to follow her out, and I refused.
Just that. You can imagine. Where is Ekwedike?
He left with her, but I think they are at the backyard now.
Ugwuoke! Ugwuoke! Come with Eche at once! Why would you disobey my orders? Go and fetch Ekwedike now. And nothing on earth should stop you from bringing him. I hope you know what that means, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Go now. What nonsense. What effrontery. Who does she think she is?
Ekwu.
My name is not Ekwu. It is Ekwedike.
Ekwedike?
Yes, you got it.
I got it right?
You did.
Woo! Well, Ekwedike, am I pretty? Like, very pretty.
Yes, you're my princess.
That little brat and me. Who is more pretty?
What are you talking about?
That idiot. What are you? Jim. Jim. I can't just pronounce that shit. I can't.
My princess, it's pronounced Ugwuoke.
Well, what does that mean?
It means the money I will eat.
Whatever. I don't know why I was asking about that.
My princess, is everything fine?
So I can't ask you a question again? Huh?
No.
So you mean to say that I'm very pretty? Like, very, very pretty?
Yes, my princess.
What did that do?
My princess, I'm not sure I'm allowed to say anything.
Are you both stupid? Well, you guys are stupid obviously. Am I too small not to be greeted?
Greetings, my princess. The little princess demands for your presence at once.
Is there any problem?
I don't understand. Are you blind? Are you? Huh? Well, go and tell that little princess of yours that he's having a conversation with the big princess of Odo! Odo what again?
Odo.
Yes, of Odo Kingdom! I don't understand. Go! Stop it! Let him go! I said, leave him alone! Leave him! Are you deaf? Can't you hear me? Huh? Can't you hear me? And you!
How dare you try such in my presence? I'm okay. Who gave you the audacity to punish her?
Who gave you the audacity to touch me?
And I will do that again.
You don't have any right to touch me. How dare you? Oh my God! I touched you! I'm so going to kill you today! I will beat the hell out of you today!
My princess. Does it mean that you can no longer listen to your parents anymore?
Granny, I can't. Just that I'm fucking tired of this village. I need to go back. I don't belong here.
Now listen to me.
Your father, your mother, even I, myself, we all belong here.
Ew! I don't belong here. Maybe mom and dad belong here, but I don't. I hate it here.
My daughter, don't worry. I understand you. But you know what? As time goes on, I believe you will understand everything, not now.
No, Granny, I want to go back. The sunflower is too much.
Oh, I'm sorry, my daughter. Sorry, eh? Just relax. As time goes on, you understand, eh? I understand.
Daddy!
Hey, my princess. What's the problem? You look worried.
Daddy!
Come. Listen.
I am tired of this fucking village. I want to live here.
Hey, listen, calm down. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, you can talk to your father. What is it?
Dad, I am sick and tired of this space. That little brat has been looking for my trouble. I can't take it anymore.
It's okay, my princess. Come here. Listen, that little brat is your elder sister, alright?
She's not my sister. She can never be my sister. Just take a look at my skin and take a look at hers. She's like a black monkey.
Okay, come. Listen. You know, I give birth to the both of you. She was born here and you in the overseas. So she remains your elder sister. So I want you to understand that fact. Alright?
Dad, I want to go back to America. I'm tired of this place.
You will go, I will take you there, alright? So just smile for daddy. You know I don't like to see you like this. Smile for me. I'll take you back, alright? So just cheer up. I don't want you to feel bad. Okay, my princess? Don't feel bad. Okay, so important. Stop feeling bad, alright? Smile for daddy. Don't worry, you're fine.
Yes. Your father and I want to talk to you.
Please go straight to the point. We don't have much time.
Akujin.
What's that? My name is Akujin, not Sacrilege. Please. And listen, if the reason you called is because of the banter I had with your so-called daughter, I'm sorry, I'm not in the mood to sort anything out. So says she's a big princess, while I'm the little princess. How are you doing with it? Let us say I will end. Maybe we talked about something. Not until you sort it out.
Uncle Jerry, how dare you speak to your father like that?
My husband, my wife.
Can you imagine? What is wrong with this girl? And what was that she was talking about?
She came to me and... Hey! My little princess. How are you?
I'm not your princess.
Come on. What's the problem? You know you can talk to daddy? Was it?
Excuse me. That's my princess. We can go.
So, you can talk to me.
Since you claim me to be my father, yet your daughter has a big phone and I don't have one.
Hey, listen, you do not know how to make use of a big phone. You do not know how to make use of a big phone.
How is that your business?
Come on. Okay, listen. I promise to get you a big phone. If that will make you happy, alright? So just wear a good smile on this beautiful face of yours. Smile for daddy.
I'll think about accepting you as my father.
Really? You know you can be dramatic. Just like your mother.
Whatever.
I love you! She doesn't even know how to use a big phone. So why is she requesting for a big phone?
If giving her the phone will make her happy, then I suggest we do so. We can give her that my sport iPhone. What do you think?
Oh, it's a good idea. Besides, she wouldn't even know it's not functioning. So it's fine.
Yeah, she won't know. Just for peace to reign, you know. Yes.
Yeah,
she won't
it's a
know.
good plan. This is just so bad.
I will kill her. I must kill her. I will use my dad's gun on her. I'm going to kill her.
Greetings, mother. Have you seen your daughter since morning? No. Is she not in her chamber? She is not there. And no one knows her whereabouts. So where is she? Are you serious? Let me check.
Oma, where did Akunjeri tell you she was going to?
My princess, she did not tell me where she was going to.
She said nothing to you? Yeah. And you, Doka?
She did not tell me, my princess.
You?
Princess?
Did you see my daughter?
No, my princess.
You did not see her leave the compound?
No.
So what is your duty here? Why are you always here?
I'm sorry.
You sorry for what? You're sorry that you did not see my daughter? Or you're sorry that you are not doing your duty properly? So what are you sorry for?
I don't know.
Go and search for my daughter right now. Leave my presence. How can you be here and you didn't see when my daughter left the compound? What kind of nonsense is this? Akunjeri, where are you? Where are you? Where did you go to? Where is your friend?
I've not seen her today.
You've not seen her today?
Yes, my princess.
Then where could she be? I have searched everywhere for her.
She's not in this house.
She's not. I've not seen her since morning. What?
Sorry, my princess. I should.
Are you sure you don't know where she could be? Like anywhere she usually goes to or something?
No, she used to come to my house, so, but if I've not seen her since.
Akum Jerry, where could you be?
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey, whoa. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey,
my brigade!
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey, whoa.
Oh, greetings, Soria Gas Ugwuoke Kingdom.
Did you see the little princess of Ugwuoke Kingdom?
You mean our princess of this kingdom?
The little princess.
No.
Are you sure?
No, not at all. Is she missing?
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Let me know the whereabouts of your sister. Please tell me. I promise you I'm not going to tell the king.
Mom, I'm too big for that shit. Besides, I can't waste my precious time on that little brat.
The king sent for the eyes of the gods. And when he comes, whoever that is responsible for your sister's disappearance shall be killed. So you still have time to say the truth before the eyes of the gods get to the palace. Where is your sister?
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Now before you will all carry on the well of Ugwuoke Kingdom. I greet you, I greet you, my queen. Thank you, my king. I summon you here because please no more, my king. But
Why do you blame one another over something that one knows nothing about? Your grandchild is safe and well. Yes. And around the kingdom.
Around the kingdom?
Yes.
But they have sought for her everywhere, and she could not be found.
That was the doing of the gods. That was why you couldn't find her. Your granddaughter has been chosen as the priestess of Ugwuoke kingdom.
Furthermore, but she's still a child.
The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men.
So, Izamo, where is she? How can I see my granddaughter?
She will be back any moment from now. Hence, the information was given. Then, after 4 market days, all the necessary things she needs for the fortification ritual will be released by the gods, as it used to be.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
My daughter.
Father.
I called you back because there's something I want you to know.
What is it, Father?
There's this Igbo adage that says nothing goes for nothing.
I don't understand.
There is nothing the gods give to you that it will not take back from you in one way or the other. The young man that got you pregnant, Mr. JP, committed a sacrilege. And the penalty was death. But somehow, tradition was twisted and he was forgiven because he pleaded. Now, the gods says that the offspring of the pregnancy will serve her.
What?
Yes. If you do not want her to serve her, there is a solution.
Father, I would rather prefer a solution than allow her serve the gods at this tender age. That's not fair.
The solution is that Mr. JP will be sacrificed to the gods of the land to appease the land.
Losing my future husband or allowing my daughter to serve the gods. Serving the gods means all our life. And sacrificing my husband means losing him all my life. No. I thought everything has been settled. Gods of our land, why are you treating me this way?
But wait, my question is, will she agree to serve the gods?
Look at what you are asking. She doesn't have a choice.
Yes, she doesn't have a choice, but you know our king. If his daughter doesn't want to do it, he will change tradition.
Honestly, the king can't change tradition because she was chosen not by appointment.
What are we guys even talking? All I know is that the king can never change the tradition.
He can. The king can change the tradition. Because when the princess and the stranger returned, everybody were thinking he was going to kill him. But he did not.
The king can never change the tradition. I know, he can never change it.
Never! It's not going to happen. So please help me tell Ezemo to tell the gods that I'm not interested. Never in my life.
You must help the gods.
Shut your mouth! I'm not talking to you.
Are you mad?
Are you stupid?
How you don't hear me? Are you okay? Don't interrupt me.
Keep quiet, both of you. Now listen. I am sorry. Tradition cannot be twisted.
Fine. Since the tradition cannot be twisted, like you said, so why don't you, the supreme leader in this kingdom, go and do it? Go and serve the deity. I'm not interested, please.
Shut brats.
Oh, me! I swear to God, I'm
Oima, is it true that Akunjeri is choosing to become the priestess of this kingdom?
Yes, so and she doesn't want to.
Why?
I pleaded with her, she refused. I told her, she said no, that I'm supporting the gods based on my name. Oima means first of the gods. I've even asked her father. That one is never.
So wait, does it mean that her father is in support of this?
Yes, so what do you want her father to do? Go and fight the gods? Hey, he cannot, because what can he do? Because I've spoken, because I've spoken. And my friend, the only thing you want me to do now, let's go and meet the king and tell him that let's go and beg the gods. Let the gods choose me.
You have started. The gods did not see before he choose Akunjeri. So let the will of God be done. There's nothing we can do. He have already choose Akunjeri. There's nothing we can do about it. So let's go and beg him.
Let's just go and beg. Please, don't this one. I know they will choose me.
You have started this girl. You have started.
Let's go. The house is not interesting than this one. This one is begging.
Let the will of God be done.
Your daughter has brought calamity upon herself. And if care is not taken, it's against my head.
What happened, Father?
Ezemo just left here a few hours ago and said that she went to Odobudo, like shrine, and scatter everything Now she even want to burn down the shrine, just that the shrine refused to catch fire. If not by now, the story would have been different.
If you want to punish your offenders, go straight to them. Don't come for me. Don't try it. I'm not going to take any nonsense from anybody.
Jerry, why did you go to destroy Odobudu Shrine? I am talking to you! Have you lost it? Are you mad? Why did you go to destroy that shrine? Are you mad? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Talk to me! Don't tell me you're joking. Are you joking about? You got to just talk. Just say something. Just shout. Ha! You can't talk.
Ezemo, I actually called you back because immediately you left, my daughter became dumb. And I want to ask, is it as a result of what she did to Ideyema, the deity, or something else?
Spirits of the gods. Spirits of our gods. Igwe, it is in fact as a result of it. And she will remain this way until she says otherwise. But Isabel, enough of the questions. That is the message from the gods. I will take my leave now.
Ezemo, is there no solution to that?
Igwe, you already know what the solution is.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey, whoa.
My princess, what happened? My princess, what happened?
Princess.
My princess, what happened?
Are you okay?
I'm here. It's Oma, I'm here. What happened?
Princess, you can't see me.
My princess, what is it? I should call your grandmother.
You can't see me. Can you see me? Hey, what's going on? You can't see me.
I don't know what happened.
What is wrong with her? She can't see. What happened? See what happened to her?
I don't know what happened to her. We came outside and all of a sudden she dropped her whole tail. And she said she can't see.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go inside. Please hold on.
Listen, I am tired. I'm sick and tired. And I'm crazy right now. Alright? I think you should just go back to the sleep and that's it.
What? Are you serious right now? Listen, this is the time I need you the most. If you leave me, how am I supposed to cope? What do you expect me to do?
Then tell your father to sacrifice me. Oh yes! Let him sacrifice me so that my daughter can be free. Alright? Because I'm tired. I don't just understand everything. Everyone is just crazy here.
What is going on here? What?
My king, listen. I've had it up to here. Everyone is just crazy. I don't understand anything. Your God said that if my daughter do not serve them, then I will be sacrificed. Right? Sacrifice me. I'm ready. Sacrifice me to your gods. Isn't it what you want? Isn't it? You don't say anything.
That's true.
Then sacrifice me. What are you waiting for? Just take me! Take me for my daughter's freedom. I'm tired. Just take me!
Is that what you want?
Yes!
No, Father. That is not what
you just stop. It's what I want!
That is not what you want!
Okay.
Father, please do not listen to him.
Leave my presence this minute.
Okay.
Father, if you sacrifice this young man, get ready to sacrifice me too.
Leave at once.
Listen, babe, you need to speak to your father because my daughter needs to be free, alright? She needs to be free.
Yeah. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh. She's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey, whoa. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Mama, yes, my priestess. Summon my mother.
Okay, my priestess.
My daughter, You sent for me.
Mother, you should learn to bow before the priestess of Odobodo Kingdom.
I'm sorry, my daughter. I bow before the priestess of this kingdom.
I am no longer your daughter. Address me as your priestess.
Okay, my priestess.
You can sit.
Thank you, my priestess.
I will need some ladies working for me here, all dressed in white.
Okay, my priestess. I can arrange that.
Good. That's it.
I beg to take my leave, my priestess.
Go. Lift his body now. Greetings. Please pray for Oluebube.
Greetings. That herb won't help. Rather, it is worsening his situation. Take him to eat the woman's shrine. He will pray for 4 days, and after which he will be better.
Okay, my priestess.
Wicked word. What did you do?
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Look at what she said. So, you see that did this with my brother?
That's what it is.
Some things are better left unknown. Why do you seek to know the person that inflicted the helmet on you?
I'll bow before you again, my priestess. I want to know so that I'll be careful whom I dine with. Indeed, was Amanda Noise.
Leave him there. Like I said, he will play for 4 days. And after that, he'll be okay. And you can come and visit me.
Okay, my princess.
Sometimes, stubbornness can lead to destruction. Now choose between your brother Silo and knowing the person that inflicted the helmet.
Oh, I choose his healing.
Go. Can go.
Thank you, my priestess.
Wicked word. God is so damn Little brat. you. It's quite obvious you want to hear from me. And how dare you call me little rat?
I can see you don't have respect for me. Do you know that I can knock you and you will go down the moon?
You know what? I don't really need to flaunt my power anymore. Rather, I will show you one so that you will know. Yes, you remain crippled and back like that of your English dog you brag about always. Back again, and again, and again. Continue.
Hey! What have you done to her?
What? One more word from you, you'll join her.
Madness.
And I mean it.
Madness.
I said one more word from you, you join her. And I mean it. Do not touch her, because you will join her.
Okay. What's the problem? Can you just stop? Can you stop? I don't know what your problem is. Stop! I don't know what it is, but I am sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. You know it's...
How stubborn you can be. A stubborn fly goes into the grave with a corpse. I gave a simple instruction.
Akunjiri! What did you do to me? What? Listen, I'm your father, okay? What happened?
What is happening in this palace?
What's the problem?
Touch her again and see.
Listen, I'm so sorry. I cannot help you right now, okay? I am sorry. Calm down, alright? Down. Listen, princess, listen. Don't get close. I can't help you. I'm sorry. Right?
Every day from one thing to another. Now look at this one barking like a dog. This has never happened in my life. I need to tell you about this.
Can you just stop this? Stop this! Stop! Enough!
You were called here to administer her from hell. It is not your duty to do that. So you shouldn't do it.
Akunjiri, what have you done to your sister?
Now that you do not address me by my name.
I'm sorry, my priestess. Please, I beg you. Undo whatever you did to your sister.
Never. She remained there for 4 days.
My priestess.
Your grandchild brought upon herself whatever it is that is happening to her. So nobody should ask for mercy on her behalf. And you must not answer every call. Okay?
My priestess! My priestess! Mama, you have to do something.
Get up so that you eat.
sister. I can't eat. I just want to go home.
You have to eat something. The priestess said that you'll be here for 4 days.
But I've been here since yesterday. And yet no dogs have been given to me. I just want to go home.
You have to calm down. The ways of gods are not the ways of men.
Sister, please. Go tell the priestess. But I said I want to go home. I just want to go.
I'll tell her, but if she changes her mind, I'll have to wash off my hands. I'm tired. I have suffered enough. I have suffered.
I really want to go home.
I was coming from your house.
I went to the shrine to check on my brother.
Oh, yeah. How is he?
My dear, Ikenna is not getting any better. He's still the same.
Why?
I don't know. He said that since he got there, nobody has attended to him. No house has been given to him.
Why is it so?
I don't know. Do you know I was there? Your son came to me and said that the priestess said I should leave. That I'm unclean.
Because the corner.
I'm telling you.
Are you unclean?
Yes.
Hey, how did she find out?
I don't know. Maybe she find out spiritually.
Hi. Okay. Anyways, don't worry yourself, oh? I believe your brother will be fine soon. Oh?
I hope so. I'm tired already. I just want him to get better.
He will. Oh? Let me just go. Oh?
Right,
take care of yourself.
Alright.
And stop this you are worrying too much.
He's my only brother now.
I know. You'll be fine.
Okay, thank you for checking up on us.
It's okay. Alright. See you later.
Alright, bye.
You see that paper of the game? If I was the princess, I'll make her real like that.
Honestly, the guy is very annoying. Do you know that there was a day I almost beat her?
What? Did she really do that to you?
Yes, the insult was too much. I couldn't take it.
Hey, Bianca! Your money. Oh God!
How dare you touch my money? Are you okay? Are you normal? Huh?
And what did you call me? Do I look like hello?
Do I look like hello?
What's my name?
Say it loud!
Princess.
Say it very well!
Princess. Louder. Princess.
How dare you pick my money? Do you want to steal it?
Why?
Are you normal? Huh? Am I talking to you? On your knees. Yes! I did it.
Are you questioning me? Kneel down.
Now!
I don't blame you. I don't. Give me my money.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? Do you want to stain me with your black monkey skin? Do you? Drop it on the ground.
Are you stupid?
Are you okay? Pick it very well and drop it very well. Now! Oh my God. I don't blame you! I don't! Me. Lie down!
Very well.
Very well!
Your head on the ground.
Now.
Remove your hand. You. throughout that day, I didn't get myself. I just had to advise myself.
But sometimes we have to tell ourselves the truth.
Truth about what? Truth about what we are talking about now.
How will you see a priestess and want to hit her?
It's impossible.
Yes, I know it's impossible, but that's why I want to run away from this palace or even leave this kingdom.
For our motive is one day, just one day, that we just see her and mock her very well.
How do you know that's what I was thinking? See, I went to her mother's chamber today. I wanted to go and see her, but she was not.
I know you now. If you see her, you just...
I will beat her. The king will come and punish me. Anything that will happen in this palace. She's very annoying. Like the day I will catch air, I will beat her.
I trust you.
Whatever the king wants to do, he will do it. How will you punish me now?
I will beat her, let the king punish me.
I'm tired of this job. At this point, I'm going to stop now. I'm going to quit.
Why are you tired?
I said I'm tired.
What happened?
My dream interpretation job has automatically died. Before, I used to use it to support my mommy. I used to use the gifts they give me to support her, but now I can't.
But you can do it here.
I can't do it here. People have to come to me and tell me about their dreams.
I don't understand. Does it mean that people don't dream again?
It's not like they don't dream again. They are just scared of coming to meet me in the palace.
Why are they afraid? They should come now. The princess might like it, I guess.
I'm happy you said I guess. Suggest for me what I would do, because life is not smiling on my mother's face anymore. Things are getting hard for her.
How do you even know all this you are saying?
I sneaked out last night to see her.
This is what I made you do. This after them, but I will leave before her.
Yes. Okay. Jasmine, the man that want to kill that girl.
She's very no. Yes. Continue.
Small thing, how dare you?
She see new that.
See, if you want to go back in stage,
for the past 2 days, you have refused to eat. Eh? Don't you think hunger might even kill you before the completion of the 4 days?
Food is not my problem. Mama Ekwu, I've been here for the past 2 days now, and nothing has been done on me. Or is this part of the treatment? I just want to know.
You're asking too much questions. I just pray the priestess doesn't get angry. See, she instructed that you should be brought to this place. Why can't you settle and follow her? After the 4 days, if nothing happens, then you can complain.
Okay, I've heard you, Mama Ekwu, but I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry for 2 days now.
Yes. By the way, where is my sister? I want to see her.
Your sister is fine. She is still in her flower. See, she said she will be free by tomorrow. Then you can see her.
Okay. Just tell her that I'm fine. can leave.
You said I should leave with the food.
Yes.
Okay, let me just go. You'll be fine, okay? Take care of yourself.
Doubting again now. You know, one thing saved you. You should not doubt all the time.
Sorry, my priestess.
You can go. But do not tell anyone what happened. Except for those who are already aware.
Thank you, my priestess. Thank you.
Ibeima, the queen of Odododo kingdom.
Ibeima, the queen of Odododo kingdom. Njadora attack for Buruzo. Ndurum, ndurum, ndurum. Ndurum, ndurum. Ndurum, ndurum, ndurum. Ndurum, ndurum, ndurum. What did he do to you?
Who did what to me, my priestess?
Do not pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. Why did you inflict helmet on him?
Ijeoma, go inside.
No. So, there was nothing hidden under the sun.
My priestess, he did nothing to me. I inflicted the helmet out of jealousy.
I'm going to pardon you because you said the truth. But the next time you try such thing, I will strike you dead! Bargained for. I did not ask for disappearance. Why do I have to disappear like a ghost? Am I a ghost?
Daughter of Ibeima, the disappearance was to let you know the extent of power can go.
I am not a ghost. I don't want to disappear. It's only a ghost that can disappear. I don't want to be a ghost.
Disappearance is part of your power, but you cannot disappear without asking for it.
I do not want it! Did I ask for it?
Yes, you did. By hitting the staff on the ground.
You know my own father is killer in this kingdom. How do you expect me to move around the kingdom? How do you expect me to mingle with my friends? You inflicted helmet on him because of jealousy. Jealousy about what? Now I'll become a laughing stock in this community.
I'm sorry, my daughter.
Father, I am very, very much disappointed in you. I am very disappointed in you. Very, very much disappointed.
Hey, yeah. She's a little princess, but she's so mean.
Yes, my dear.
I've come to tell you something.
What could that be?
I disappeared today.
You disappeared today?
Yes, and I do not like it. I am not a ghost. I shouldn't disappear. It's only ghosts that disappears, not humans like me.
Don't worry. Very soon, all these things will be a thing of past. Disappearance is part of your past.
No! It should not repeat itself again. I do not want to experience it again. Please! This is actually not what I bargained for. Never!
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey, whoa.
Go back home and leave the judgment for the gods.
Do you know where I'm going to?
Learn how to obey instructions before complaining.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Oh, hey, whoa.
My priestess.
Summon all the children for the story tells this evening.
Okay, my priestess, I will do so.
I want to listen to some interesting ones.
Okay, my priestess, I will do so.
Daughter of Ideyima, the wish cannot be granted. No more folktales. You are the priestess of this land. You are not in the same level with those people anymore. You are half human, half spirit.
Why? I don't understand. Why do you want me to stop something you know very much that I derive joy from?
Daughters and sons of this land, you do whatever you want. Every AK market day at Ibeyima's shrine.
Never! Gods forbid! I will do no such thing. I don't even know if it can ever happen. This is something I love doing, and I must do it!
Ideyima. 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 Iche, Iche. Iche brem brem. Iche, Iche. Iche brem brem. Iche widei. Iche brem brem. Iche wideyima. Iche brem brem.
My son, I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too, mother. How are you doing?
I am very fine. And you?
Actually, mother, I'm not fine.
What happened?
Mother, I want to quit my job.
You want to quit your job?
Yes.
Why?
Mother, I'm worried about you. How are you coping?
How are you going to the farm alone? How are you farming? But I want to be here with you. I want to help you with things.
My son, as you can see, I am doing fine. Please, I don't want you to quit your job. Oh. Be very serious with your job. Akunjeri can be very dangerous and you know that.
And you know that you're the only person I have on earth.
I know. But I will be fine. As you can see, I am fine. Please, you have to start going back to the palace now before she will start looking for you.
She's not around.
Where did she go to?
They said that she went to Ideyima Shrine to make some sacrifice. Yeah, since yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Today is okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It's okay.
I've missed you so much.
My daughter.
Father, the sacrifice was not successful.
Why?
They said I have to eat dog meat. And you know I don't do that. I don't eat dog meat.
Should that be a problem?
Yes, it should. Because how are we going to fix it? How are we supposed to fix it? I cannot eat dog meat.
Did you consult Udema?
Of course, I did. She said I have to eat it. Because the gods and the goddesses can't eat it without the successor tasting it.
Does it do anything to your body? I mean, the government.
Why are you asking me such question? Since I was born, have you ever seen me eat dog meat? Have you? I can't even imagine myself doing that. I won't do it. I won't eat it. Oh.
What? Why not give it a try?
I won't. We need to find a solution to this. Because I can't even try it. I'm pissed. I'm so pissed.
It's alright. I'll be right back.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Lucky, I thought it wise to inform you that we're going back to the United States at the end of this month.
Oh.
Yeah.
End of this month.
Exactly. And I promise to come back as soon as possible. Immediately I'm done with the shit I'm going to do over there. I'll come back.
It's alright. I wish you safe trip.
Oh, thank you.
You're going.
Thank you so much. Stay safe.
Stay safe too.
I'm surely going to miss you guys.
We're going to miss you too.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, we're going to do that.
It's fine.
Huh?
It's fine.
It's alright.
Thank you.
I'm not doing it again. Yeah? I'm not doing it again. Go and look for another person to serve you. I'm done. So I'm returning all your properties back to you. Take your properties in peace. Please, I'm done. A nanny that is employed to come and take care of a baby. If baby dies, the nanny will do what? Will go. Bye-bye.
Why was she pregnant?
She said she's no longer interested in serving the baby. Yes.
But does she realize the path she's treading on?
She said they have taken away her happiness. Yes.
In fact, that Udena should try someone else. She's no longer interested.
Is it because of the dog meat they said she ate?
I don't know, but she said she's tired. Besides, they are taking away her happiness. She no longer treats her fellow children and all that. Stuff like that. She's no longer interested.
What of if Udena attacks her?
Udena has her own way of doing things, and ways are not the way of men.
I bow before you, Ugwuoke one of Odobudo Kingdom. I greet you, my queen.
You welcome Ezemo.
We shall be well with you, Ezemo.
What brings this tortoise out of its shell?
Ezemo, my granddaughter said she's no longer interested. She has denounced them.
I saw this coming, but I didn't know it was going to be so soon. She is leaving this kingdom as soon as possible.
What? Leaving the kingdom to where?
The stranger, is he leaving soon?
Yeah, the stranger said he'll be leaving to the white man lands very soon.
That is where she is leaving to. But never mind, because whatever goes up must surely eventually come down. And there is an adage that says that he who takes away a thing that belongs to a child and raises his hands high will eventually bring it down when his hands begin to pain him.
Like this to America. Huh? I do. Oh no. You were so dumb. Don't say that again. I will say don't say it again. Oh my god, you're not meant to dress like this.
Stop it! You just don't have nonsense! Stop it! What's your problem?
Why are you talking to me like that?
Hey Bianca, what's your problem? What's your problem? What is wrong with you? It's enough, alright? Listen, it's enough. Listen, you're traveling today, right? And you're not supposed to be quarreling.
Exactly. Now I'm not a Muslim and I'm a
It's enough! Can you just stop it? What's your problem, Princess? Let's play with the both of you. What's your problem?
And I pray you do.
Listen, I've told you she's your sister, alright?
God forbid.
It's enough, please. Listen, let's go, my love, alright?
Over my dead body. You are not my sister.
My love.
Can you just keep quiet? Let's see.
Hey, listen, you should. Enough.
No one will care if you dress like a princess or not.
I care, alright?
It's okay.
Yes,
Listen.
stop it already, please.
Go to hell!
I love you.
Leave me. Oh, Dad, I love you, Mama.
Take care of yourself.
Go to hell! I don't like you! I don't like you! Leave me!
Mama.
My son, I miss you so
I
much.
miss you so much too, Mama.
But why are you not wearing your outfit?
Guess what, Mama? Ekwu, your son is back.
How? What happened?
Mama, the priestess, she traveled with a stranger.
Akozikwan. Eh?
Yes.
And the king allowed her. So what about her priestess work?
She says she doesn't want to do it again.
Akoko. If she likes, let her go to heaven. When they need her, she will return.
Oh, Mama, the way I'm seeing things, I'm not sure the priestess is going to come.
That one is not my problem. The most important thing is that my son is back.
Mama, I've missed you.
Let's go inside.
So how you doing?
I'll find my child.
Do you think she will come back?
According to my father, he says she cannot run away from her destiny. So even if she hides anywhere for 200 years, if the day malletes her, she will still find her.
Me, I am afraid it might not end up well.
Definitely, I think she has made up her mind to face her life. But if they will not allow it, so it will definitely be a conflict. Well, I like it.
Like what?
I like being a priestess, so it's very good. Love it.
It has honored that both adults and young ones respect her. And whatever you say, that's what you do. I don't know why Akunjiri doesn't like it.
Akunjiri has something internal distracting her, but she doesn't want to do anything about it.
Anyways, we'll all wait and see what will happen eventually.
Wait. Bye bye, you. If you are not tired, me, I'm tired. I'm sorry. What should
What took you so long to answer my call?
I'm sorry, my princess.
I am talking, you're talking. Are you okay? Huh? Rubbish. What's that your name again? Are you deaf? Can't you hear me?
Did you not just say that I should shut up? Why do you want me to talk again?
Are you questioning me? Are you for real? Huh? You are questioning the princess. The princess of Odogo. What's that name again? What's the name of this your kingdom?
Odobudu.
Odogolo. Well, whatever that is. Remind me that your name again.
Ekwu.
Hi. You know, the name suits you.
How?
Because of the way you are. What's the meaning?
Hard drum.
Oh my god. Exactly. It defines you.
I'm sorry, my princess, but
shut up!
I'm a strong man.
Well, find out. Henceforth, you will be my personal bodyguard.
What?
What is what?
My princess, why would you just hire me like that?
Are you questioning me? How dare you question me?
The job starts now.
My princess,
I said the job starts now.
When I said, do you even know the meaning of personal bodyguard? Do you? You have to follow me wherever I am going.
I need to be on my uniform first.
You will follow me first.
Yeah. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hey. Whoa. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hey. Whoa.
Are you stupid? Huh? Are you okay? Say for yourself! Are you okay? You're very stupid! What's the meaning of this? And why are you still standing there? And what are you looking at? Come on, will you get this bucket and go and get another water? Is it me that you're eyeing like that? You know what? Kneel down. Kneel! Hands up! Close your eyes. Close it! Open your mouth.
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry for your useless self. I said open your mouth. See my... Oh my god. I don't blame you at all. I don't!
My princess.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. She's driven by the powers vested on her. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hey. Whoa.
Welcome once again. Thank you, my friend. So how is the state? We're good. We're good. We're good.
Igwe, we didn't come back because we wanted to, alright? Since we got back to the state, it has been from one problem to the other. She hasn't been the same. She keeps seeing strange image that I could not see. Only she sees them.
She showed herself to me. You see, if I do not come back, that she's going to kill me. If I don't come back to serve her.
Exactly what I'm talking about. I don't know. A demon. I don't know who shit she's talking about.
Have you come back to serve her? Have you agreed to serve her?
Yes, on one condition.
Which is?
I'll serve her in my own way.
How do you mean in your own way?
I won't be doing all this shit again.
Those shit? What shit are you talking about?
Like wearing open white, joining all this thing. I'll be just like this usual.
The most important thing is that she has agreed to serve her. That's all. No problem. You're welcome once again. Please take your
Yeah! Dayma! Dayma Maritime Wine! Your daughter is back. Dayma! Dayma! How are you? Yeah, I'm back. Your daughter is back for good. Yeah. I want to continue for you from where I stopped. Okay? But this time around, on one condition.
Speak. The priceless Dayma is all ears.
I want to continue working for you, but in my own way. I got my ways of doing things, okay? I want to do them my own way. No more whitish clothes. No more those rubbish things. No. I want to do my things my way, okay?
Your wish will be granted under one condition.
So you're calling. Alright, so tell me, I'm all ears. What's your condition? Let's okay, let's wait. I'll be waiting.
Keep your things to yourselves. Where are you both going before?
We're going on.
Yes, we're going on. Where do you expect us to go?
Are you both okay?
Yes.
Are you both alright?
Yes, my princess.
Yes, my princess.
Where do you both think you're going to? Huh?
Oh.
Shut up! Like you both want me to punish you, right?
The princess, you did punishment and even not punishment. And our princess has actually back. So we have to continue our duties.
What's rubbish? Huh? Are you both not? You know what? I'm going to punish you both severely. Mom! You! Mom!
My princess.
My princess will watch it. Hey! Little brat! Hey! Hey! What games are you playing with me?
I do not play games with white monkeys. Go ahead. Do it, you coward. You don't have respect. I told you, stop talking too much. Don't talk too much. Where is that power you came to have? Where is the power? I'm talking to you. Where is the power? I don't play games with people like you. You are just a nothing to me. If I should do that, I'm reducing my own people.
Hey! What's going on? What is going on here? What is going on here? What's going on here? Don't touch her.
What is happening here? What is going on here?
God! Your Majesty, please fetch me is the right office.
There is no need for that. Hold on there. Stop it. What? While I'm here. You don't need to do that.
Why?
That is because she will still speak. But after 4 days.
What? 4 days?
Yes.
Why?
Yes. My work has begun.
That is this.
Good night.
our land.
He stopped there. Please, I beg you. She is your sister.
Yes.
Please forgive her.
Please
Okay?
forgive her.
You know who to channel your plea to.
Can you just undo whatsoever you've done to her, please?
Absolutely nothing I can do.
Really?
She is your sister. Jerry is just a messenger. I mean, you know who you can channel your plea to. Oh.
I beg you. Release your sister.
Where are you?
Please, where are you going? Akunjeri, come here! Come back here! What in the world is this? And you're looking! Can't you go after her? Got me, Mama. What is wrong with you? Just follow me. You're so dramatic. Just relax, calm down. Everything is good. What are we supposed to do right now? Don't worry, Ezemo will soon be here. Alright. This is...
What is happening? Hello, I've not seen this kind of thing before. I've never seen it. This has never happened in our land. Hey! What are we going to do?
Ezemo. Ideyima was the one who suspended her. She attempted to slap Ideyima's servant, so she suspended her. Is there nothing that can be done? She will remain this way for 4 days. What? 4 days. On the 4th day, we shall consult Ideyima to tell us what needs to be done to appease the gods. Listen, before she can release her. How do you expect a child to stand here for 4 days? The gods have spoken. This is crazy. Spoken what? What kind of God is that? This is bullshit. You expect a child to stay here for 4 days and you say your gods have spoken? This is crazy. Please do something. You said your gods have spoken? Igwe, I don't get the shit. Everyone here is crazy. Just relax. How do you expect a child to stay here for 4 days and you tell me gods have spoken? Just relax. What the fuck? Ezemo will do something. This is my child we're talking about here. And she's also my grandchild. Do something, please. Ezemo, you get me? Do something, please. Stop mopping at the sky, alright? I don't care. I don't care. I need you to release my child. She can be standing here for 4 days, as she said. Why are you staring at me? Release my child and stop looking at me. It's okay. I don't know. What? Just this is Ezemo. It's not. Listen, it's not my business. This girl is my child. No, right? We don't do like this in the States. Alright? I don't get the. What the fuck are you guys doing here? Listen, I have got it up to here. Alright? I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of all the shenanigans you are doing here. What the fuck? This is crazy! Everyone here is crazy! I'm tired of those bullshit! I'm tired!
One man. Your daughter is here! Seeking for a husband. Lay down. Lay your head. Grant a request on Eke!
Ife!
Grant a request on Ori!
Ife!
Grant a request on Afo!
Ife!
Aliko!
Ife!
Give her the kind of husband that she wants. High class, tall, rich, What kind of husband do you want?
Dibudi.
Anyone at all.
Anyone.
As long as it's a man.
Yes, I don't have a choice.
You've heard her. She said she wants any husband at all. So either any man will plead that her request shall be granted. Okay? So she even came with a sacrifice for us. Yes, the sacrifice is a good one. So your request shall be granted.
She said,
come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Go now.
Come here. It's a go now. It has gone. It has been accepted. So your husband is on the way. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You need to thank our Igeima. Because she did it for you. Me, it's not by my power. It's Igeima.
Okay. Igeima, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can go.
Huh?
You can go.
Oh, thank you.
You can go. Go and meet your husband.
So, husband?
Yeah.
Oh, finally.
Yeah. Powerful Igeima. Powerful and mighty Igeima. I salute you. Well done, you've done it again. You've done it again. You're super good. You know this work very well, okay? Kudos to you, man.
What in the world am I doing here? My daughter have been standing here for the past 2 days and the tradition said no one should touch her. What the hell? I think it's high time I just take my daughter back to the States, and if I am doing it, it should be right now.
Bianca! 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 Bianca!
Bianca! Bianca! Can you talk to me? What's the problem? What's the problem? Can you talk? Bianca!
Why is it that this man has ear, but he doesn't hear?
I thought I asked you people not to go close to her. When did this happen?
I don't know, Father. It was the dad that came to call me.
Cassie, were you not there when he touched her?
No. Father, please, let's do something. Please, summon the Ezemo, please. It can't remain like this.
The helping hand you seek is at the end of your sleeve. Ezemo has nothing to offer.
How do you mean, Father?
What? Call me.
Hiya. Father, you sent for me.
Have you lost it? Did you see your father?
Hey, Mama. Learn how to address the goddess, okay?
Don't get me angry. Do something so that your father can be released right now.
Send for me.
Akunjeri, did you not hear what your mother said?
I'm listening to you, Maniga.
Akunjeli, what is the solution to this?
talking in my space. I beg to take my leave now.
Come back here.
If you touch me one more time, but touch my American body one more time, I swear, you're gonna join them. Okay? Brr.
Akunjeli, no! No! What's this?
Yeah. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her.
Choku's my love.
Ikega, welcome. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
I'm just walking around to see the whole world.
Oh. Okay. Then Anabo.
Chokus, you know that you are the apple of my eyes.
I beg, come on.
Chokus, please. I'll not remove it too because, but Chokus, there is something I want to tell you. I don't know.
What is it?
Okay, Chokus. Okay, you don't like me. So you know.
Don't worry. I'll marry you.
You marry me, right?
Just go, take care.
Chokus will marry me. My mother will hear this. My mother has to be aware. I will go and tell the best wine chopper in the village. Let him chop the wine for me. I'm taking it to the house. Chokus, he will marry me. Chokus, my lord. My mother.
Sister, see. Sister, me, I don't like this thing you're doing here. Look at the kind of small food you gave to me now. Look at the kind of small food you gave to me.
Please shut up. The food I gave you is very small. You like complaining, but you don't have strength to walk.
Yes, I will complain. I will complain. Why won't I complain? Am I not the last one in this house? Am I not the last one in this house? Every day, keep on giving me small food. Come, mama is not around.
Shut up! Lazy last born. Ikenga.
Oh Malachy, I told him, my beautiful apple. How are you?
Ikenga.
My love.
All these names you are calling me, I hope all is well.
All is well, my friend. Emma, is when the balance is that now. Only is when the edit. Edit being when.
What do you mean by that?
My love, you can see my hand.
What happened to your hand?
Thank you, my baby.
Hey.
That is why I love you. I got this for one. Very sweet one. I'm seeking for your hand in marriage. I want you to marry me.
Holy Ghost fire. But Ikenga, if na play, stop am. Don't play with me like that. I don't like it.
I'm not playing, no, I swear. I'm ready. I love you. I want to marry you, please. Don't say that to me, please.
Don't play with me.
Ikenga, don't you know it's my elder sister you're talking to like that? What's your problem?
Please, Ikenga, I love your elder sister.
Shut up your mouth, you!
I beg, if you want to die, go to your house and die.
Please.
Ikenga should get size now. Jesus.
Oh, Malachy.
Will you shut up?
Yeah, my size, I swear. I swear, please.
I don't say husband scarce. Even if I don't see husband, I'm not in my someone like you.
Please, just one.
Hey! Ikenga! What's the meaning of this, Ikenga?
Can you imagine this woman?
Sister, what's the meaning of this now? I'm not talking about small food and my sister only squeeze me. You say adding to my problem. What's the meaning of that?
You need to shut up. Why are you talking about food? Someone is insulting and they're basically talking about food. You're always selfish. Lazy boy.
Is it not the food that brought that he goat?
in-laws house. I want to marry a baby. Everyone. If my own baby, anybody who puts hand, I'm ready to kill that person. You can see my palm wine. I paid a good amount of money to buy this palm wine. Let nobody go to wine. Everyone. Everywhere is my own. Everywhere is my own. Everywhere I love you. Everywhere is my love. Everywhere is loving. Love is really good. Who is in this house? Who is in this house? Who is in this house?
Ikenga.
It's me. Ikenga.
This one you came to my house today. I hope all is well.
I went to your friend's house.
Chekube or Ebube?
If there's boo-boo, there's no problem. I sweet it my heart to give her this one that I want to marry her. So I'll come to beg you, please. Beg her for me.
Eh?
Yes.
So you want to marry my friend Chekube?
Hey, my wife.
And you went to her house with this wine?
Bam.
With who?
You can see that the wine is dropping, but don't look at the wine. It's to show you that the whole ancestors is with me and her.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay. I've heard what you said. I will talk to her.
Please, beg her for me.
No, go with your
Please.
wine. I will talk to her, don't worry.
So I should go with the wine?
Go with your wine.
Okay, I'm going to
I will do that.
Ekwu, my sweetheart. I will marry Ekwu.
Oh? Ikenga.
Nami.
Hey!
Nami for marry Ekwu. Ekwu is my sweetheart. I've already told my mother.
Look at Ikenga. So why you not go to Ikenga? Okay.
Spirits of gods, gods of our fathers, spirits of the gods.
JP.
He has paid the price to cleanse the land of Ugwuoke kingdom.
You mean he's dead? JP.
No, JP, Father, please do something, brother, I beg you, do something. Father, do something. Please do something, please, Father, do something. JP, no, Father, please do something, I beg you, Father, do something. JP, please get the face of Father, do something, please, Father, do something. JP.
Alright.
Ma, I've come to ask for forgiveness for all the bad things I've been doing with your name. I'm sorry. It was not intentional. As you can see, I'm still a small girl, so I was just catching cruise. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm sorry. The chosen one is here to continue from where I stopped.
Ideima, Queen of Odogudo Kingdom, your chosen one has come to take over from Akumjeri. Ideima, the chosen one, is taking over. Take it!
Ideima, the queen of Odogudo Kingdom, I'll bow before you.
She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Aye, aye, oh, hey, whoa. She's a little princess, but she's so mean. Oh, she's driven by the powers vested on her. Aye,